Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Watchlist by Magenta Trade. Today is Monday, the 8th of August, and we are back with our regular YouTube live program, The Watchlist. My apologies, I could not hold the session on Friday, but I informed earlier. I had some commitments over the weekend, and that extended to Friday as well, of course. So that's why I could not attend the session. And it seems like the market has not moved much. Let's see what has happened. At Magenta Trade, we teach you how to grow your portfolio using option trading strategies. In this program, the Watchlist, we help you navigate through the market by discussing news, views, and opinions along with the stock updates. So, once again, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this Watchlist. My name is Shan. We look for trading and investing opportunities using stocks and option based strategies here in Magenta Trade. In our options trading masterclass program, we teach you how to grow your long term investment portfolio and to protect your capital from severe market downturns using different strategies based on stocks and options. If you are interested to know more, please visit our website www.magentatrade.com. You can also keep in touch with us by following us in the social media, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And of course, while watching this program, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. With that, let's get started. First, have a quick look at our disclosures. All our discussions at Magenta Trade are solely for educational and information purposes. We are not investment advisors, and you should consult a financial advisor before making any investments. Options trading involve exceptional gains, but at the same time, they pose inherent risks. Past results are no guarantee of future gains. For more disclosures, you can visit our website www.magentatrade.com. Couple of sentences about me. I have been actively trading for more than 15 years. My name is Shan, and I have turned my personal training experience and passion into professional coaching. And recently, we have formed the company Magenta Trade to share with you my strategies of success in trading using simple terms and techniques. At Magenta Trade, we base our strategies on three dimensions of trading: long-term capital growth, building a retirement portfolio over a long period of time, generating regular income using stocks and option trading strategies, and ensuring your capital is adequately protected against severe market downturns so that your hard-earned money is not wasted in adventure. Now, let's have a look at the recent uh, market trend. So, as I mentioned, we have not missed much in the last few days. The market has been hovering around this range of between today's high was 4190, and on Thursday I think the low was 4080. So within this 100 points, S&P 500 has been hovering for last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days. So, as of today, the S&P 500 is down by 8 points from the Friday's close. Of course, Friday again it was just marginally lower than Thursday's close, and Thursday's was marginally lower than Wednesday's close. However, Wednesday the market actually closed at a very higher level, almost a couple of percentage point higher than Tuesday's level. So that's been happening for some time now, and we have been, mentioning that this level 4156, 4170. This is the level of a significant resistance. So the market has hit that again. The S&P 500 has hit that level of resistance again, and today it is down, but I'm not sure whether it is retreating from this level or not, but there is a strong possibility. This resistance level is really strong. It had earlier shown its resistance for 8-9 trading days during the end of May, and from there the market retreated. The market uh, came down sharply. S&P 500 was very sharp in this correction, you can say. And since then, the market recovered a little bit for last couple of months, but then again it has hit the same resistance level. So my take, I'm not entering into any bullish trades, especially S&P 500. But yes, in individual stock levels, there are, definitely we can look into opportunities. But since the market is little bit down today, I have not entered any bullish trades, not even in the S&P 500, the SPX trade that I normally do on Mondays. Also, the bearish trend was broken earlier. The market is above 30 days weighted moving average now. The DPO is in the positive zone. However, the problem with my uh, current scenario is that the macroeconomic scenario does not, the global macroeconomic scenario does not support a bull market as of now. Yes, there are some short term indicators. There are some, of course, the jobs number was really good, more than 560,000 new additions to the job in July. So that's definitely a very positive news, but on the other hand, the inflation is still higher, and most probably the Fed again would go for another 75 basis point hike this month. So that is another cause of concern. It would be a major cause of concern for many companies who are reliant on high debts, and for them, this blow of Federal Reserve would be severe, I guess, in terms of their cost of operations, because their cost of debt would go up significantly. Now, um, let's go back to a couple of earnings report we have earlier reported in our social media channels. So let me just quickly open them. The first one is Treehouse Foods, and Treehouse Foods reported their second quarter June 2022 loss of 4 cents per share on revenue of $1.2 billion. Um, Revenue grew 19.4% on year-on-year basis. The company said it expects 2022 revenue of approximately 4.91 billion to 5.15 billion dollars, whereas the previous guidance was around 4.8 billion dollars. So the stock is currently up by more than 4% on the back of good forecast and earnings report. Um, Treehouse Foods, along with its subsidiaries, is engaged in manufacturing consumer packaged food and beverage. Its products include beverages, salad dressings, snacks, beverage enhancers, pickles, Mexican and other sauces, soup, and infant feeding. In terms of sales, there's a strong net growth of 19.4%. Um, Fueled by pricing of 17.7% and volume improvement of 2.1%. Snacking and beverage division delivered 9% volume mix growth. Fiscal 2022 guidance have been raised to mid to high teens growth, largely driven by pricing actions to recover inflation. Adjusted EBITDA from continuing operations was $66.5 million, or 5.6% for the second quarter of 2022, which improved by 60 basis points sequentially in line with guidance. Okay, so that's about Treehouse Foods. The next one is Via Treats. Via Treats reported second quarter June 2022 earnings of 88 cents per share on revenue of $4.1 billion, whereas the expectation was about 81 cents per share on revenue of billion. The stock is currently up by 4.32%. The company said it now expects 2022 earnings or revenue of 16.2 billion to 6.16.7 billion dollars. A previous guidance was around 17 billion dollar to 17.5 billion dollars in terms of revenue. Quickly, some so the earnings per share have been declining for the last 3 or 4 quarters significantly. Okay, sure. Okay, they reported total revenue of $4.12 billion, US GAAP net earnings of $314 million, adjusted EBITDA of $1.48 billion, US GAAP net cash provided by operating activities of $803 million, and free cash flow of $719 million. Board of Directors declared quarterly dividend of 12 cents per share. Pays down approximately $1.5 billion of debt in the first half of 2022, on track with full year 2022 a target of approximately $2 billion. So that's a significant positive factor. The debts are going down for the company, and I like that idea very much. Much better than the stock repurchase program that has been going on for many companies now. Anyways, let's go back to the market now. S&P 500 is now down by 13 points. Nasdaq is down by 41 points. Dow is also in the negative territory now. Earlier it was in the green when I opened the session. Currently it's down by 12 points. Dollar index is down by 0.13%, and VIX volatility index is up by 3 percentage points. Gold is up by 0.7%. Silver is up by 3.5%, and oil is up by 2.2%. Let's look at some of the stocks. Unity Software is up by 4.49%. But what I want to discuss today first is BBBY. Bed Bath and Beyond. The stock is up by 34%. Not sure why. Maybe there is some some social media groups or forums. They have started buying this stock, Bed Bath and Beyond, and also AMC. So these are in the hot category of discussion in some of the chat rooms and all that. So I'm not sure exactly what's the news over there. AMC earlier was up by almost 13%. Now it's up by 7.5%. Signify Health. That stock is up by 12% today, following a Wall Street Journal report citing people familiar with the matter that CVS Health is planning to offer a bid for the home health services company. First Solar. First Solar has jumped by 4.6%. Earlier it was also higher after Goldman Sachs upgraded shares to overweight from neutral. Okay, Rhythm Pharmaceuticals. Rhythm Pharmaceuticals is currently up by 4.9%, but earlier it was further high, and almost 7 to 8% today. Goldman Sachs upgraded the stock to buy from neutral, saying the shares could rally about 40% following successful trials of its obesity medicine. Very cool. Not the ABX one. Gold, yeah. Very good is up by more than 3.7% after beating analyst expectation in its second quarter results. Palantir, PLTR, Palantir Technologies is down by 14% after the software company known for its work with the government reported a loss of 1 cent per share in its most recent quarter. Analysts were expecting earnings of 3 cents per share. Tyson Foods. Tyson Foods is down by 8.4%, especially when the market has been going south. It has dipped further today. Nvidia, there is some news on the Nvidia. The stock is currently down by 8.2% after they reported a revenue miss in its second quarter results. The chip maker generated $6.7 billion in revenue compared to analyst expectations of $8.1 billion, citing gaming weakness. Finally, let's say BioNTech. The stock is down by 10%. After reporting earnings and revenue that missed expectations, the company said its variant adapted COVID-19 vaccine should provide an uptick in demand in the fourth quarter. Okay. Let's see what has happened for other stocks. GoodRx is up by 9.4%. Expedia International Expedia World Holdings is up by 11%. And Chivi is up by 6%. Well, many stocks are in the red today. Apple is also in the red, but it's just by 0.4%. AMD is also down by 2.5%, and Arista Network is down by 2.0% as well. Okay, Amazon is also down by 1.4%. Applovin is down by up by 11%, and what else? Dell is positive by 0.2%. Disney is up by 2.3%. Right. Netflix is up by 3%. Okay, that's what is happening in general. Okay, so thanks for joining us today. As I mentioned earlier, I'll not be trading any S&P that SPX trade because the market is down, and I expect it to go down further. But as of now, it is not exactly showing that, but definitely the S&P 500 is hitting the significant resistance that we have been maintaining for last many weeks. Okay, so see you back on Wednesday, and then we can discuss more on this trading side. Thanks a lot for joining once again, and please do follow us in the social media channels. I'm Shan here, and thanks a lot for watching this today. Thank you.